Well, it's Saturday morning, and this is one of the. God dang it! I'm gonna take the remote out of my freaking pocket. Letting all the heat out. Okay. So this is the one spot. She didn't even notice this until she picked up the car. She wants me to touch up these big chips. So we're gonna touch those up. Well, she wants me to fix this. So I'm gonna do what I can. Grind that down and stuff. And then the other spot is right here. So I'm actually gonna have to take the bumper cover off. Son of a bitch. And then this spot. This one's pretty bad. So I guess we'll get started. Boy, sucks. I gotta take the bumper cover off. I can't get freaking bumper things right there. I don't know what to do now. I told her 175 bucks for everything, so not a lot. Got the heat on it. It was only 55 in here when I first got here. It's up to 70 now, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take that bumper cover off. So I'm gonna get started on that. This is what I got. Hopefully I got enough now. She told me it was just a little spot, so we'll see. That's what the shop guy said. Otherwise at Sam's, or else I could have got the other tube stuff that you need the special gun. That was 45 bucks for a tube, and I told her 75 for the one spot, so now I got extra, so hopefully I don't have to buy another one of these, but these weren't that expensive. $4. Yeah, $4.89. Paint was $25.50 for a pint. So got 32 bucks into it so far. Alright, well, talk to you guys later. Alright, got the bumper cover off. Basically broke every single clip in the wheel wells. So that was just duct taped on. So auto saw. Get that glue off. And where's that clip? Got this one apart. Just slides off up here, but had the clips in there. So pretty good one, but should be able to. It's gonna be a pain, but I can get in there. And I kind of taped off what I'm gonna do here. Grind it down, and then just fill it with Duraglass, I guess. I mean, she's gonna be selling the car probably in another year or two. You know, she's thinking about next summer. It's just something temporary, I guess. So yeah, the cover was pretty easy to get off, but these clips really suck. I don't know how to get them out. I gotta push something in there sharp to get it to straighten out. So, but got it off. This side's not rusty at all, so I don't have to do nothing over here. And then she just wants me to touch up those other spots. So, alright, well, just wanted to show, I guess, I got the cover off. It's a little late, it's like 10:30ish. I went and bought new clips, some different types of clips, replaced the ones I broke, so yeah, it's freaking windy and cold out. Alright, well, I guess I'll be back later. Alright, well, I got it all scuffed. 36 grit. That's what the guy told me. Scuffed the sides real good. A little bit of shiny out there, but I think it'll be okay. I wish I had I could download this video and get a response right away, but I'm almost thinking of cutting some of this and putting behind it too. I don't think it would hurt, so I think I will do that. I mean, I got a strip here I can cut off. It's gonna be the right width, so yeah, I think I'll do that. I still got to work on this now. I'm gonna do that next. I'll grind it down and I'll put some Duraglass over it. Just get that going. Still trying to waiting for Rich to text me back, because I'm gonna need another person to help me hold this all in place and all that crap, especially that one. So otherwise I'll probably give Dean a call in a little while, but I'm gonna work on that rear quarter first. So I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Oh yeah. So they just slap Bondo over it. They ain't using no Duraglass, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. slap some Duraglass in there, make her look pretty. I'm not making a lot of money off this job, and hopefully it lasts longer than when she sells it. It still looks good, so yeah, I was worried about that, but oh well. Wire wheel it, get as much as I can out of there, and the lip's still good, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I'll be back. Oh, here's the other spot. So, alright, I got this one done. It looks like crap. It's couldn't get it pushed out. Still waiting for Dean to help me with this piece. I know that's going to be a two-person. I got half of this one done. I couldn't get the bottom to really line up, so I got what I could to line up, and letting that set up before I mess with the bottom part. We got this all Duraglass bondoed, and yeah, so should look good. Hopefully I gotta, the stuff takes 4 hours to set up, so I'm gonna try and get this stuff set up, and then I'm gonna go home, eat dinner, and then come back later tonight and start sanding this down, BA it down with 80 grit, and then start doing the glazing putty, and here's the back side. Tried to gob her in there a little bit, and then I put it together and smoothed out the outside with my finger a little bit, but yeah, I hope it works. Probably won't. For what she's paying me though, you know, the way I am, it will look good. I mean, it'll look better than the big hole that was there. So, guess that's about it, and get some more done later tonight. I'll probably just make a separate video. I'll upload this one, and when I get home, eat dinner and stuff. So, yeah. Alright. Well, everybody have a good one, and don't procrastinate. Stroke, me. Alright, well, got her on there. I just barely had enough. I am gonna get another tube. Should be able to get it at Farm and Fleet. But right now, I mean, we gotta, you know, Dean come over and help me. We got her in there good. So just gotta put a little bit more. So she oozed out pretty good on this side too. But I'll put some more in this back side. So, and then got this one. I just finished this one. Oop. It looks worse than what it is, but I mean, that used to be broke all the way right into that corner, and now she's looking pretty good. So I'm heading home, or I gotta head to Farm and Fleet, get another tube of that stuff before they close. Boy, what time do they close? 6 o'clock right now. Go home for a while, eat dinner and that, and come back. This stuff needs 4 hours to really set up, so yeah, we'll see you guys later.